We make lo-
Lots of
movies.
card. We make lots of card for our family.
We make
What is
lots
wrong
of
with this? I gave you these mistakes, no? My method of teaching
people.
is
People are even people are learning, so they always make some mistakes. Some of them,
yes.
but they learn after that.
Correct. If you
In India, it is a big festival. Any festival is big in India.
mm, big fat Indian festivals, yeah.
Yeah, like they do patakas,
Hmm.
crackers, and
Hmm.
lots of yummy food. They make rangoli. It's a
Hmm.
bigger festival than Brunei.
Thank you so much for your time today. You're such a lovely soul and lovely angel, I must say. I thank you for your time because
Thank
if
you.
I didn't meet you today, no, I might have had a bad day. But I love meeting you today on this session. Love it. Yeah.
Thank you. But I am a bit confused in this question.
Hmm. How are you confused? What is the point of confusion?
Yeah, means what can I choose? I like both cottage cheese and chicken.
Your name is Sudikta, is it?
Sudikta. Sudikta.
Okay, yeah. Sudiksha.
Yeah.
All right, Sudiksha. So tell me, how are you first of all? I'm so glad to meet you today, no?
Yeah. I'm right as a nine. How are you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. And I just wonder what is the meaning of Sudiksha?
Sudikta is a beautiful name of Sanskrit or or sun. It, it means blessing with achievement.
Hmm. Okay, it means blessings with achievement. Yeah. Okay. Sudiksha, which class do you study in?
I I study in class standard one.
Oh, standard one. Is what time do you go to bed?
I always go to bed 7, 8, or 9 or 10.
I always go to bed by 7, 8, or 9 or 10. By.
Bye. I always go to bed at 7, 8, 9, and 10
You can't go to bed at all these times. And 10 is wrong. Or 10.
or 10.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay.
How did you celebrate New Year? I am still wanting to know. How was the celebration?
It was no celebration. We just woke till midnight.
Hmm. Oh, you woke till midnight, but how about the celebration? Did you go out somewhere, had some dinner or something, or was
We,
it a celebration inside
we-
the house?
after New Year, we went to a hotel. Means not
Hmm.
hotel. Means what do you say that?
Sorry,
Restaurant.
you went
Restaurant.
to a restaurant, yeah?
Yeah.
And
We and
what did you have to eat?
we got lots of at first chicken and paneer.
Hmm.
I ate cottage cheese
Hmm.
and non-veg
Hmm. What do you like the
salad.
most? Do you like cottage cheese the most, or do you like chicken the most? What's your
I
favorite?
love, but I am a bit confused in this question.
Hmm. How are you confused? What is the point of confusion?
Yeah, means what can I choose? I like both cottage cheese and chicken.
So you can say I like both.
I like both.
Always good, no? Yeah, I like both of them. I If I still persist that you still have to choose one, so
Yeah,
you like both equally. You can always say that I can't choose one because I like both of them equally.
equal.
Yeah, I like them equally, no?
Like them equally.
Yeah, true. 100% fair. Now, it is the time, Shikha, that we must take an opportunity and introduce ourselves. Do you think it is a good idea?
Yes, you forgotten my name. I was Sudiksha and my
Oh,
mom name.
sorry. I am forgetful, isn't it? I am a little forgetful, isn't it?
Um,
But yeah,
yes,
never mind. never mind. I'll go ahead and deliver my introduction. Okay. So,
Okay.
Diksha, my name is Ashwini, and I hold around 18 years of experience working with numerous corporates and multinational organizations. During my tenure, I have trained thousands of employees under me who happen to be reporting to their clients from UK, USA, Canada, and Australia. Okay. During what I do exactly for these learners, I train them on effective communication skills and voice and accent. When I say effective communication skills, this means that people become more confident, expressive, impressive, and fearless while they deliver speeches. So, this is my skill. I train people on these qualities. I love it because it adds values to their lives. Okay.
Okay.
So, Diksha, can I know a little about you now? If you can please go ahead and tell me about you.
Okay. My name is Sudiksha. I'm 6 year old and I'm from India, but right now I'm living in Brunei because my dad works here.
Mm-hmm,
And I my class mm, my school name is BDS Foundation,
mm-hmm,
or you can say it Bhakti Deva School.
mm-hmm,
I'm in kindergarten,
mm-hmm. Wow.
and my hobbies are playing, dancing, skipping, running,
Mm-hmm,
playing, and
mm-hmm.
drawing. Of course, painting and drawing.
Okay. So you like painting and drawing the most?
Yes.
Wow, that's lovely, no? And why is it that you are willing to learn English? You already are being taught English in your school, isn't it?
Yeah, but some of my teacher talk in other language like Malay, only
Mm-hmm,
Malay, and
mm-hmm,
English. Some teacher teach me English,
mm-hmm.
and some people teach Malay, but I don't understand Malay. I do just know a bit of Malay, even I forgotten that.
Okay, so do you like English?
I like English. I want to improve my English.
Okay. What is the first language you use in that case? Like, how do you talk in your family? Do you speak in Malay or English?
I I talk my native language Hindi.
Okay, Hindi is your native language, so you know Hindi very well?
Yeah, very well.
Oh, wonderful. Which is your favorite language?
My favorite language is Hindi and English.
Okay, all right, wonderful. So, what all things happened during New Year? Did your mother decorate the house? And did you put on
My
the lights
mother
or something?
didn't decorate the house, and I told you just one thing happened. We woke up till midnight and we watched movies.
Okay, all right. So, Diksha, this brings us to the wonderful topic of the day, which is home decoration. Yeah.
Decoration.
Do you feel it is a good topic? We can talk on this, or shall we change the topic to something different?
I think we can talk on this.
Please tell me, what situations do we decorate our houses? How do we decorate our houses? What opinions do
We can
people
clean
have?
our house. We can clean our house and make lots of card for our family and wait till midnight and wish our family happy new year.
Mhm, mhm. We make lots of card. What
Yeah,
is wrong with
and
this?
we make lo- we
Lots
will
of card. We make lots of card for our family.
we make
What is
lots
wrong
of
with this? Mhm.
we make lots of card with for our family. When I
I've
was
written it in the chat. Wait. So, Diksha, I've written the sentence in the chat box. Please correct it. What is wrong with this sentence?
we make lot of card for our family.
No, wrong. Where is your mind today, Sudiksha? Focus, beta, focus. Singular and plural mistake is there.
We make lots of cards for our family.
Cards. Yes,
Cards.
wonderful. Correct. Cards. When it is lots of, it can't be card. It has to be cards. Okay.
Cards.
We make lots of cards for our family. Yeah. So how do we decorate the house?
Like make lots of cards for our family and clean our house, wait till
Mhm.
midnight and watch
Mhm.
TV and wish Happy New Year to all our family.
Wow. Yeah, that's a celebration. Yeah. What
And
other
we
occasions do we
worship.
decorate? We
We
worship,
worship.
yes. How do you manage Diwali? Do you celebrate Diwali?
Yes, we do celebrate Diwali in India, but not in Brunei because we only do worship on Diwali and decorate our house on Diwali.
Mhm.
But this
Okay.
time we don't have any decoration, so we didn't do any.
Okay, so in Brunei, on Diwali, people do not decorate their houses.
In Brunei. Yeah, some people do. On New Year, some people do. Like some people
Mhm.
who is Indian, they put their light below on their balcony. They put lots of light on their
Mhm.
Diwali, and they could do lots of worship and do
Mhm.
lots of fun things like
Mhm.
play, disco,
Mhm.
and dance with their family.
Yeah. Wow.
And
Lovely. Please check the chat box one more time. You made another fatal mistake. Some people who is Indian. What is wrong with this?
some people who is Indian.
What's wrong with this?
Some people, some people who is some people
Mhm.
who is Indian.
What's wrong with this?
I always make means mistakes in the plural.
Ah, but you have to catch your mistake now, no? Tell me what is the mistake in this? Do you see a mistake or not?
Oh, I just put something else.
Some
Hmm.
people who are Indians.
Some people
People.
who are Indians.
Yes, you can't use is after speaking about people. People is plural or singular? You tell me.
Plural.
So after plural noun, you can't say is, no? Some people who are Indians. Okay?
Are Indian.
Yes. Got the correction? Alright,
Yes.
so Diksha, please tell me why is it that people like to decorate their houses? It takes a lot
Because
of effort. Yeah.
because who is Indian people?
Hmm.
They
Peoples is wrong English. You never say peoples, it's people.
when there are Indian people,
Mhm.
people, then in India. It is a big festival. Any festival is big in India.
Mm. Big fat Indian festivals. Yeah.
Yeah, like they do patakas,
Hmm.
crackers, and
Hmm.
lots of yummy food. They make rangoli. And a
Hmm.
bigger festival than Brunei.
Hmm. All right. So Diksha, what is the difference between interior designer and interior decorator?
Designer means who designs very well, whole home, and
Hmm.
decoration mean and we decorate. Decoration is means we decorate the house and
Hmm.
we celebrate
Hmm.
and decorator
Hmm.
is we celebrate and
Okay. Decorators are normally celebrators. Yeah.
yeah,
And designers are who design the whole house. Yeah.
yeah,
Lovely. Beautifully, beautifully delivered. Yeah.
yeah.
So, can a designer be a decorator also?
Um, I think so. It can be maybe.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, if suppose a curtain wala, if a proper curtain shop or interior decoration shop takes up to decorate your house, like put on curtains in your house, sofa covers, mattresses, bed
And
sheets.
bed sheet, pillow sheets, and
Mm.
means
So they are interior decorators, isn't it? They are
yeah,
decorating your interior. Yeah,
yeah, and put
lovely.
balloons.
Ah, yeah, balloons are important, aren't they?
Yeah,
Shikha, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time today. You are such a lovely soul and lovely angel, I must say. I thank you for your time because
thank
if
you,
I didn't meet you today, no, I might have had a bad day. But I love meeting you today on this session. Love it. Yeah.
thank you,
Feedback time. You are so little, but you are still articulate. You are able to talk your thoughts out. I appreciate that. You are a good speaker, and you will continue to be even better with time. Okay. Problems you have are with singular and plural. You are making mistakes with singular and plural. Okay.
always.
Then you are making some more mistakes with the form of verb sometimes. Like
So
I gave you these mistakes, no? My method of teaching
people,
is
people are even people are learning, so they always make some mistakes. Some of them,
yes.
but they
Mhm.
learn after that.
Correct. If you had no mistakes, you wouldn't come here, isn't it?
Yes,
You do have mistakes. We all have mistakes. Nothing wrong with it. We all are learning. Yeah. So, yes, you have those singular plural problems, and my job is to help you on those. I have got to the roots of your problems today. I will need more time to help you out. I will do my
thank,
level best. With my experience, I will help you and I'll make sure that you become better. But yes, you
thank
will have
you,
to stay tuned, you'll have to stay energized, and we'll have more sessions together so that I can help you better.